Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to follow someone on Rumble. So if you wanna learn how to follow someone on Rumble, then keep watching this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to follow someone on Rumble, first of all, you have to tap on Rumble application. So since Rumble application is not available on my region, I'll go ahead and tap on Google and then access Rumble's browser. But if you do have Rumble application available on your mobile phone, then you can directly tap on Rumble app, but the procedure will be same, so need not worry. Sure, I'll tap search for Rumble application on Google in order to get through its website. Now tap on the first option that says Rumble and then you will be logged into your Rumble account. Now go ahead and tap on search, which is just beside Rumble. Go ahead and tap on search icon and then search for the person you want to follow. After you're done tapping on the person who you want to follow, then tap on search in your mobile screen, which is in the bottom right corner. Now you will be opened with the person's profile on your mobile phone, so go ahead and tap on the profile. Now this is the home screen of the person you want to follow. As you can see, the follow options given, so go ahead and tap on follow. So you have followed the person, so that's how we can easily follow on Rumble account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.